So my dyslexia and probably ADHD too made school a bit of a nightmare. But with new tools like LLMs, it is suddenly some sort of a superpower. So I've got a differently wired brain. My attention jumps, I chase patterns, and I usually hyperfocus on things and then forget to eat. So traditional learning like lectures, syntax memorization, and so on didn't really work for me. But with LLM learnings, this is a bit of a different story. If you don't know, LLMs are patterns machine. They thrive on incomplete logic and fuzzy context. And that's basically how my brain works. I don't need to plan 10 steps ahead. I just throw out an ID and then see what it gives me back. And that gives me something to react to. And so that kind of feedback loop feeds my brain to the dopamine hits of trying like a new ask, a new thing, and instantly seeing like a animation, a view, something in the app that I'm building. Nothing in school ever gave me that. So AI assisted development rewards like experimentation and not necessarily memorization. And because of my product designer background, I'm already thinking in user flow, visual interactions, and so I naturally bridge the gap. So if you got like a differently wired brain as well, and you're struggling with traditional dev path, maybe try building with AI. Might fit your brain better than you think. See you next time.